In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Lovart subscription plan. To get started, head to Lovart's homepage and click the Upgrade button to open the plans. Before you compare tiers, make your first decision on billing. Annual billing usually delivers meaningful savings if you know you'll use Lovart steadily over time, while monthly billing keeps things flexible if you're still testing the waters or your workload changes month to month. As you look at the details, it helps to understand a few terms you'll see across plans. Fast generation credits are what you spend for quick image or video outputs. Daily refresh credits top up each day so you can keep experimenting without burning through your monthly pool. Concurrency is simply how many jobs can run at the same time. Brand kits are saved assets and style settings that help you keep visual identity consistent across clients or campaigns. You'll also see mentions of relaxed generations, which are slower but can be unlimited on certain models, and features like GPT Image 2, Flash, and perks such as Nano Banana Pro or off-peak half price. The starter plan is the entry point. You get 2,000 fast generation credits per month, 100 refresh credits every day, 2 concurrent tasks, and 5 brand kits. It includes access to all image and video models, editing tools, a commercial license, standard credit refill pricing, plus Nano Banana Pro and off-peak half-price perks. Choose starter if you're just getting going and don't need many parallel jobs. Step up to basic if you're iterating often. It raises monthly fast credits to 3,500, keeps the 100 daily refresh credits, increases concurrency to 4, and expands brand kits to 10. You also get a 7-day window of free fast generations for GPT Image 2, access to Flash, and unlimited relaxed generations on select models. This is a strong fit for freelancers or small teams. Pro is built for sustained production. It jumps to 11,000 fast credits, maintains the daily refresh, lifts concurrency to 8, and extends brand kits to 30. You'll get a 14-day free fast gens period for GPT Image 2, Flash, a broader range of unlimited relaxed generations, and 10% off credit refills. Pick Pro if tight deadlines and parallel jobs are the norm. Ultimate is the powerhouse tier. You get 27,000 fast credits monthly, the same daily refresh, 10 concurrent tasks, up to 100 brand kits, 31 days of GPT Image 2 free fast gens, Flash, the broadest relax range, and 10% off refills. It's designed for agencies or high-volume creators. If you collaborate, consider the team plan. You can manage admins and members, share credits, and set flexible